right? And we are going to be dissecting this in terms of the 15-minute fair value gap, which is in this region, right? So as you can see, when we zoom into the candles, we're able to see a brand new world which wouldn't be open to us with candlesticks. So what I want traders to understand now in the third part of the order flow series, as we get deeper into order flow, is that we want to be understanding that the order flow essentially dictates every candle. The candle is almost like an indicator of the order flow, right? Candlesticks are not an indicator, but candlesticks are almost like an indicator. They are simply a visual and a graphical representation of what is happening behind buyers and sellers. And candles only give you so much, because when we dissect candles over here, what we see over here is some wicks, right? We see wicks rejecting off here. But how did you know that this wick, and again, this long wick over here coming off this 5-minute fair value gap? So we also have a 5-minute fair value gap over here, and we can see price enter this fair value gap before giving us a second potential entry. So one fair value gap here, and then the other fair value gap here, and they both led to pretty good trades to the upside. So how do we take advantage of this? Let's break down the first fair value gap, right? So again, we're going to be dissecting two things over here, right? The delta and the volume. So from the last session, I broke down exactly how I've determined my settings on the ATAS platform. And the way I do that is, again, quickly going to go over my settings now. Clusters, and we want to go to delta profile. So this gives us the delta. So this gives us the indication of aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers. The other thing we want to be using as traders is the volume, right? The volume, again, we want to be using the volume profile. So again, what the volume represents is the bid and the ask together. So it's the bid and the ask. So if we quickly dissect one candle over here,